Before you can enjoy the view from the dome, you have to take the stairs to Mr. Brown's attic, and it really is the attic of the Capitol.
It's named after Henry Brown, the gentleman who originally donated the land that the Capitol sits on.
Here you get a look back at over 100 years of history about the land, building, and Denver, and you learn about the different layers of the dome.
I'll follow you.
All right, let's go on up to the observation deck.
Up we go, several more flights of stairs. We're on the backside of some of the stained glass windows as we climb the stairs that lead us to the observation deck. Of course, I had to stick my head through to look down, to see the grand staircase on the first floor and the Hall of Presidents portraits and the Hall of Fame stained glass windows.
Those are all people who are important to Colorado statehood, not necessarily governors, but just people who are important. Anyone from Kit Carson to Chief Uray. Well, the very, very top is a rosette that's designed to resemble the columbine, the state flower. And a lot of people don't.
Yeah!
The whole building is really designed to act like a chimney for heating and cooling. So that top actually can pop out.
It wouldn't be an observation deck without an actual deck. You can walk outside and enjoy a 360-degree view of Denver. Looking to the west, you can easily pick out red rocks at the base of the foothills. Time to climb the beautiful spiral staircase. Doug is giving us special access to what's above the observation deck. It's a tight squeeze up another spiral staircase. We're in between the outer gold dome and the inner dome of the observation deck. This flight of stairs takes us to the top of the inner dome. The cast iron railing dates back to 1886, when construction started on the building, which was finished in 1901. Some of the signatures up here date back to the early 1900s and even the late 1800s. The recent restoration project restored everything from the roof line up. It was the first time scaffolding was ever placed on the Capitol roof.
A lot of people don't realize that that whole dome is cast iron. It's not stone. A lot of people think that it is.
Just like this.
There was a lot of rust. For the first time ever, they stripped off the copper plates that had been regilded several times. Now on the cast iron dome, there's new copper and the new gold leaf that shines brightly in the sunshine.
From here, we're going to go up to the lantern.
That's a small room with long, skinny windows where workers rappelled out of in August to complete the final touches of the dome restoration. This staircase that we're climbing is actually called a ship's ladder. One more spiral staircase, and we make it to the lantern.
The only place you can get higher is that crystal globe that's right on top.
It's 270 feet to the tip top of the building. From the lantern or observation area, the views of Denver are fantastic.